Hi everybody, I'm at Pilates Space here on Slater Street, and this morning we're going to be learning all things Pilates. Jacqueline is with me. Hi Jacqueline.
Hi Jamie.
Now you're the co-owner of this establishment, right? Give our viewers a little bit of an idea of exactly what Pilates is.
It's basically the best way to work your core, to work your center, which improves your posture, and then allows your whole body to be stronger and more flexible in general.
So it really is concentrating on the core, right?
Absolutely, and the breathing, which you can sort of hear in the
Absolutely.
background.
It is an audible breath.
It's an audible breath, so we're forcing the exhale to really work your abdominals, to keep them pulled in while you're moving. Do you want to try another bit?
Yeah, absolutely. So what is this called that we're doing here?
These are the hundreds.
Okay.
It's your first mat exercise, which is great to do at home, to do anywhere.
Yeah.
So let's say if you stretch your legs up to the ceiling.
Okay.
Exactly. And you can kind of follow their breath, 2 inhales and 2 exhales.
Okay. And why the arm movement?
You're increasing circulation in your body, and it's your first exercise that you do as your warm-up. Exactly. So you see you're keeping your abs pulled in the whole time. To make it harder, bring your legs down a little bit more. Exactly. So then you really have to work your abs there. And we imagine we get to 100 pumps.
Okay.
Yeah.
That is hard work. That is really hard work. Now, do you think that Pilates is gaining in popularity?
I think it is. It had sort of its big boom, you know, about 5 years ago, in Canada anyways. I mean, it's been around since the 60s.
Right.
But, you know, we've been open since 2002, and we have many of our same clients who've been with us since the beginning.
Well, I was thinking, too, that I remember back in the 80s when the, you know, the aerobics that were so hard on people's joints and making it burn, right, was sort of the motto of the aerobics back then. That people maybe were looking for a gentler way of getting exercise?
Well, it's gentler in that it's very mindful and there is no impact, so it's very safe for all of your joints.
Absolutely.
But it's challenging, you know, and you need to learn the basics.
Oh, absolutely.
But then, you know, there's a whole series of equipment that we can work on. And so that gives you a lot of variety, and it really can keep you interested for a really long time.
So people can take classes here, right?
Yes, they can take group classes, and once we get into the other studio, there's also group equipment classes there. And we do private classes as well, and some people come in and do duets, you know, if two friends want to come in together, something like that.
Is there as many different kinds of Pilates as there is yoga? Because I've learned of so many different forms of yoga. What's the case with Pilates?
Well, with Pilates, there is the traditional work, which is mat work and various pieces of equipment. Our lineage is Fletcher Pilates, and the man that we train with, his name is Ron Fletcher. He's a first-generation teacher. So he trained directly with Joseph and Clara Pilates. He's in his 80s, and he still leads seminars. And so that's sort of keeping it alive. So it's Pilates, but it's really evolved from the source.
Okay. Are we going to do some towel work?
We're going to do some towel work.
Okay.
So why don't we stand?
Okay.
So this is an element of Fletcher Pilates.
Okay.
It's going to be great for your posture. And you know, for all of us who spend so much time on the computer, you know, and we end up really hunched over.
Absolutely.
Okay. So what you'll do is hold maybe a few inches further apart.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
And what you want to do is you want to pull the towel taut from your upper back muscles here.
Okay.
So we're basically working the back to open the front.
Wow.
Now, it doesn't weigh much, but it can be quite challenging.
No, but that's yeah.
So
I mean, it's a small movement, but it does
a small movement.
A lot.
So keep the towel pulled taut.
Okay.
And then inhale, lift it up overhead. And then exhale, press it back down to chest level. That's it. And inhale, lift up overhead. And then exhale to lower. Exactly.
Okay, we're at Pilates Space here on Slater Street.
done.
What are you going to have me doing next?
We're going to get you on the reformer.
Okay.
And reform you.
The reformer to reform me when we come back. Stay tuned.
That's great.